This 2023 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite 241RLXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Forest River is 28 feet 8 inches in length and features one slideout, sleeps 6, CO detector, slideout, LP detector, skylight, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, air conditioning, smoke detector, leveling jacks, stove top burner, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite 241RLXL is 5,478 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.